Boao, a coastal town in southern China's island province of Hainan, was an unknown small fishing village with some 16,000 residents 2 decades ago. In 2001, the beautiful town was chosen to host the Boao Forum for Asia, a non-governmental and non-profit international organization committed to promoting regional economic integration and bringing Asian countries closer to their development goals. Since then, Boao has entered a new era of development. The small village, now the permanent site of the annual conference of the BFA, has transformed into a modern town with an airport, a high-speed railway station and high-quality hotels. Over 2 decades after the inaugural event, the forum has become increasingly influential, and is not only a significant conference for Asia but also the world.
这个论坛向全球发出了很多声音，引起了全球日益广泛的重视。百年未有之大变局背景下，这个论坛的地位作用全面凸显。
这是我们沙美的会客厅，在这接待过很多外国的嘉宾。在博鳌亚洲论坛期间，会有很多的这个外国嘉宾来到村子里面，洽谈这个商业合作，规划这个未来的发展方向。